Okay, fellas, Ben back again on another one. Very important video, in my opinion. Don't know if you guys will agree to this, but it's been a long time since I've been wanting to add some kind of protection to these glasses, to these plastic bits, is because these things tend to crack from over the sides. If you guys can see it, or right over here, it's starting to crack. It's because it's because of sunlight. UV does something to these plastic transparent bits, and they develop cracks over time. And so it's very important that you somehow protect them. But there's absolutely nothing available online for this particular diameter. There's a lot available for the classic models, Royal Enfield classic models. Nothing available for the Himalayan. Or so I thought until I found this guy. Yep. So it's this. The what is this called? The Defender. Yeah, the Defender. This, I believe, is what they sell for mobile phones these days. This is not tempered glass style stuff. Neither is it a simple film. It's a little more complicated than that. Very high quality stuff. Quite expensive. 600 Indian rupees for this. Just this much. Okay, so what comes with the kit is alcohol swab to rub and clean. I think both wet. Yeah, and then a small piece of cloth, microfiber, I guess, some rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, squeegee to kind of lay this on nice and clean. So yeah, that should do it. Yeah, that's the whole of it in the package. Now let's just get to work. That's one. Now for the dry cloth. Okay, so that's the finished product. Now do not blame me for all the bubbles that you get to see. The bubbles don't matter as much to me, or even if I want to kind of give it a small prick with a fine needle and get the air bubbles out, I can do it anytime at will. So that's not a big problem. The bigger problem is the fact that these plastics, they tend to crack when exposed to sunlight, direct sunlight, and that is what we have solved as of now. So yep, that's as easy as it gets. A simple sticker or a film that goes on top and kind of saves your plastic instrument console, and nothing more important than that, in my opinion. Of course, we'll go ahead and crack as many bowls as we can and then get it to look neat and clean. But yeah, that should happen with heat also. I believe with the instrument console being lit, I think that should also improve. Yeah, so that was that. A quick, easy fix to a big problem. The instrument console cracking. Yeah, if you guys found this useful, I will attach a link of the product in the description. You guys can go ahead and purchase it and try this on by yourself, or take it to somebody with a steady pair of hands. They'll be able to do a better job. But if you don't mind the small air bubbles, then you can do it yourself. Pretty straightforward and easy, and yeah, self-explanatory. So I don't have to run you through all the details. Yep. So that was that. If this was helpful, let it be, and I shall see you guys on another one. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.